ever since his cute little baby sisters lost his family. But when Tao Tao's father shows up, with the whole family in tow, the festive mood changes to less festive.
Well, never mind. I guess, well, I don't know. Seems like she's falling asleep.
Rooster probably still has a chip on his shoulder about that whole eye thing. Looks like it's time for some long-awaited payback. Tao Tao can't believe this. Why is Rooster picking a fight with his father? The females in Tao Tao's family rally around their man.
Oh. I guess I'm not gonna record you anymore.
Rooster, however,
You're falling asleep.
on his own. The Lost Boys only look out for themselves. Nobody to back him up. Rooster beats a hasty retreat.
Hi? Were you falling asleep? Daddy's got some cleaning to do, okay? You just watch, okay? You just watch the animals, alright?
Tao Tao.
I'll be back.
These new pals of his are turning out to be a bunch of self-centered brats. Is there anybody in this crazy world you can actually depend on? Up on the high plains, the Chiru have embarked on their journey back home to rejoin the males. But the smell of young calves has attracted followers. This wolf tests the herd, trying to separate the little ones. By now, luckily, those baby legs are strong and fast, just like their mothers. The Chiru are united. The bonds between moms and babies hold strong. Each calf glued to its mother's scent.
Well, I guess that's the end of the video. She's knocked out, falling asleep.